Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have some packages to open, a couple of gifts, a couple PR things, some stuff I bought. I'm excited to see what we got inside. This is from a brand called Grandote. They actually reached out to me on Instagram. They have these really cool accessories. I think they were hair accessories. It's like from a month ago, so I'm like trying to jog my own memory right now. Wait to see how you pin it. XO Bridget. My cousin's name is Bridget. Wow, this is so cool. Come on, look at that. I'm so excited to just like style this up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shout out to people that make cool things. This is from One Size and I'm excited to see what's inside. Little backstory to One Size. I did a campaign with them a year ago, 2 years ago, and they've just been a really consistent gifting partner since then, so I'm very grateful. This is called the Oil Sucker Liquid Blotting Paper Spray. I wanted to say pepper spray so bad, but I already have pepper spray. Anyway, travel size and then big boy size.
With this mattifying and blowing spray designed for touch-ups without makeup disruption. Love.
Because they have this other setting spray that I really like. It's a sunscreen setting spray, and that one's also mattifying. It doesn't make your like liner bleed, doesn't make your mascara bleed, and I really appreciate that because sometimes, y'all, you try to put a little refreshing spray on and then your makeup just goes everywhere and you're like, okay, that wasn't what's supposed to happen, but okay. I want to see how it smells. Oh, it smells good. Doesn't smell like overpowering. Cool. Thank you. I'm excited to use this, especially for the summertime because it's about to get real oily out here in these streets. Moving on, Benefit, honey. I'm excited. Benefit and I are starting a lovely relationship. I went to my first event with them like a couple weeks ago. It was really fun. I do get like a lot of giftings from them, so that's really cool. I'm just hoping that this year we can like partner together for real. I'd also love to model for Benefit one day, but we'll get there. This one is called Warning, Brow Trend Alert. Open to get the latest on this breaking news. This is cute. This is cute. I love some creativity in the house, in the building. Oh, it's this stuff. This is what they had at the event. Benna TV, this just in.
Benefit Cosmetics, the #1 brow brand worldwide, has launched something that's going to completely level up your makeup routine. Open the booklet, provide it for your local brow forecast, and to learn how you can stay prepared for this major brow event.
I actually did use it this morning to do my makeup for this video, so hey! Yeah! It's the glazed brow, so it kind of adds like a little bit of sheen to your brows, which is actually really pretty. Did they give me the right color? Oh! As long as it's brown. Cute! Okay! Well, thank you to the, oh man, I dropped it all the way in. It's okay. Thank you to the Benefit team, as always. Always a pleasure. This right here, oh, another One Size one. Thanks, guys. The classic pink box, I love. Come on, come on. Y'all, I don't know why they accidentally sent the PR package to me twice. However, my friends also love makeup, so it will be used. It will not be going to waste. Ever, ever, never that. The next package that I'm opening is actually a gift to myself. It's from a brand called Delta / Delta of Phoenix. Point is, I'll put in the link in the description. I got a gift from her brand last year, maybe 2 years ago. I'll show you actually what I got. 2 bows. This one is for your hair. This one came attached to a shirt, but I was so obsessed with the bow that I took it off the shirt and now I put it on anything I'm wearing. I put it in my hair, I put it on my outfit. Like, I love these bows, and I realized I wanted more colors. So I ordered like 8 more hair bows and then also the extra large bows. And I was so excited to see how the colors look IRL. There's a note, so we're gonna read it. And I can't wait to see how you style them. Love from Delta of Phoenix. We've got this blue, and then we've got this blue. Okay, different blues, and we need it both, period. Red, so excited to use this. We've got yellow, so cute. Oh my gosh, look how bright pink this is. I have white, because the girl needs to have a white bow as well. is that we have black because you also need a black bow, duh. Okay, these are the big ones. I'm so stoked, you guys. How about this? Just bear with me in this moment. We're having a moment together.
See what I can do. I'm so excited.
A masterpiece. Truly. 2 more packages left. And then one little surprise thing at the end that I already opened before I left town for a while and then never got to try it on. So yeah, we're gonna do that together. This is from, from Fleur. Right. Let me explain. Let me tell you what's going on. So they had an event, almost a month ago, maybe a month ago, at Spencer's, which is a spa place. We got Aritzia sets while we were there, but they accidentally gave me the small set, which the jacket was correct, but the pants I wanted a large so that they could be like oversized. So I gave them the small back and then they sent me a large as a replacement. And so they came and now I'm excited to wear the whole set. I also want to paint on the set. It's gonna say better late than ugly on the jacket, and on the butt it's gonna say duh with an exclamation point. How cute is that? Okay, to your set. XO Margot. Margot was a real one for this too. Thanks, girl. Yes, hallelujah, yes, hallelujah, yes, hallelujah. Also, you guys, I really appreciate an Aritzia set. I'm an Aritzia girl. It may not look like it right now, but when I'm in my like feminine, easygoing bag, put me in the set. The jacket is literally right here. Oh, wrong thing. It's right here. So boom. Get into it, you guys. Better be cute as heck. Thank you, Fleur. Thank you, Margot. This is from MAC, and I'm freaking excited. Whoa. Okay. We've got some protective layers going on inside this box. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. This is so cool. What the heck? Oh, wait. Wait, you guys. This is so chic. I think I go like this. Oh my gosh. And Sephora. This is so cool. How does this, it smells really good. You know how some things smell like factory, but like in a hot, sexy way? That's what this smells like. Anyway. Are you kidding? This is hot and sexy. What? Thank you so much. Okay, wait. There's so many goodies in here. What is... Ah! Okay, so MAC at Sephora, babes. MAC is more than just makeup. MAC
is iconic, MAC is culture, MAC is giving back. MAC is for everyone. And now MAC is at Sephora. Finally! That is so crazy.
Look at this side of the thingy. What? There's so many yummy lip glosses and lipsticks and I love a clear gloss. This is always gonna get me every time. This pink color right here looks freaking delectable, honey. Oh, Heat Index, honey. Cushiony blush. She's really pretty. Love. You've got mascara. I like the fall thingy that it's got on here. I can see myself. I love this. The applicator brush is hot and sexy. Feels like I should be using this in the 2000s as like what they thought the future was gonna be like. Does that make sense? I hope so. I also hope that's recorded. We're gonna check. Yay! It is. Alright, let me just show you guys what's going on here. I mean, that's a gorgeous PR box. It's also quite heavy. This is impeccable work. I grew up watching my mom use a lot of MAC products. So this is like full circle times 1,000 and so cool. And I'm so grateful, so thank you so much. The final thing to share, it's this BCBG dress. And I think this dress is absolutely beautiful. I have not tried it on yet though, so we're gonna try it on. This is the dress. I think that she's beautiful. I did get a size 6. I was gonna get 4, but I wasn't sure if it was gonna be like a small 4. So I got the 6 just in case so I could tailor it. It is a little bit loose here, so I wanna get it taken in a bit. Also, it's a little loose in the chest area, so I'm going to get this taken in as well. But I love the color. The crisscross back detail is really pretty. It feels so chic. I feel very expensive in this outfit. I want to go like sip wine by like a view of the ocean and into like a cute seafood restaurant. Like that's what I'm seeing for me in this dress. So when are we going? Normally dresses that are floor length don't be floor length because I'm kind of tall. So I'm very happy that this actually is like grazing the floor a bit. So if I'm wearing flats, it would be fab. Yeah, thank you BCBG. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you want to like it, you want to share it, you want to comment something, that helps the channel out. So yeah, that's it. Bye. Thanks for watching.